Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that is making waves in the tech industry: artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is the ability of machines to perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. From self-driving cars to personal assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI is already changing the way we live, work, and communicate.
The impact of AI is massive, from transforming how we live and work, to enabling breakthroughs in fields like medicine and environmental sustainability. It's really an exciting time to be working in AI.
AI is being used in a wide range of applications. One of the most promising areas is healthcare, where it is being used to develop new treatments and improve patient outcomes.
AI is helping us to better understand complex diseases and develop more personalized treatment plans. It's also being used to analyze large data sets to identify patterns and develop new drugs.
Another area where AI is having a big impact is in manufacturing. By using AI, companies can improve efficiency and quality while also reducing costs.
By automating repetitive tasks, AI is freeing up workers to focus on more complex and creative work. It's also helping companies to optimize their supply chains and reduce waste.
AI is also changing the way we handle our finances. From chatbots that provide customer service to algorithms that make investment decisions, AI is being used to improve financial services in many ways.
AI is being used to improve fraud detection, develop personalized financial advice, and automate routine financial tasks. It's helping to make financial services more accessible and affordable for everyone.
Finally, AI is also transforming education. By using AI, educators can personalize learning experiences for students and help them to reach their full potential.
AI is being used to develop adaptive learning platforms that adjust to each student's individual needs. It's also being used to analyze student data to identify areas where they need more support.
So there you have it, folks. AI is changing the world in countless ways, from healthcare to finance to education. And as AI technology continues to advance, we can only imagine what new possibilities it will unlock.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content.